Want some free money? Today, we're diving into how you can score rewards by inviting your friends to join Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the Referrals section. Look for a button that says Invite Friends, or tap on a similar option in your app menu. Once you're in the Invite Friends section, you'll see your unique referral link. This is the golden ticket. You can often copy the link directly from the app. Now, it's time to share that link. The app generally gives you various sharing options: text message, email, or directly through social media. Pick your favorite method and send that invitation to your friends. When you send that link, make sure your friends know what they'll get, usually a sign-up reward. Also briefly explain what you will get, often a cash bonus. Once your friend signs up, they'll likely need to meet some requirements to unlock the reward, things like verifying their identity, ordering a physical card, and sometimes making a purchase. The Revolut app will help you keep track of your friend's progress. Once your friend completes the required actions, you'll both often receive a bonus. Congratulations! Start referring friends and enjoy those rewards.